Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's how to keep ham fresh for several weeks. You're going to need some water, you're going to need a calico bag or a cloth, some paper towel, of course leg of ham, and some vinegar. Cold water. In goes about 60 grams of vinegar. Get our calico bag, just sink that in there and completely wet it. Okay, while that's doing its thing, get some paper towel and remove your ham from the plastic bag that it's sold in, or however you buy it. Dry off all of the excess juice. Leave the rind on it. Okay, so it's nice and dry now. Taking all the cryovac residue of it. Get our calico bag. These will keep for years. Just wash them in hot soapy water, dry them in the sun. Pop your ham into your ham bag, like so. Fold over the edge and pop it into the fridge. Every 2 or 3 days, take that bag off it. Wipe it all over with a vinegar soaked cloth and rinse that bag out thoroughly in vinegar water, and that will keep for several weeks. Hope you found this little handy hint helpful in your kitchen. Great way to use your ham without having any waste. Don't forget that rind is also delicious if you leave it on it and it's fried, like with ham and eggs. Also, when you get down to the bone, you can freeze that bone or you can use it in pea and ham soup, and we've got lots of recipes for the use of that ham bone that you can also use in risottos as well. If you'd like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, money saving tips, just check out our Cheekyricho cooking channel, and don't forget to please subscribe and do come back and visit us again soon. We've got lots of ways to help you in your kitchen, and thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Okay, don't waste the water with the vinegar in it. Just tip it down your toilet. It will dissolve any calcium deposits in your toilet. It's also good for cleaning windows and floors as well.